About 1,000 members of the transportation industry are in Raleigh this week for the annual DOT Summit. This year's focus is on growth and green technologies. WRAL Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie joins us live from the Convention Center now with what they're buzzing about. Laura, nice ride.
Thank you, Renee. The transportation industry has to think 20 to 30 years ahead at any time. And that means thinking about new technologies like these drone taxis. How cool is this? And even all the way to an entirely new infrastructure for charging electric vehicles. This year, the focus is on clean energy vehicles. It's part of the Cooper administration's push to cut carbon emissions in North Carolina. In a keynote speech, the governor reiterated his commitment to get more electric middle and heavy duty trucks on the roads because they contribute a disproportionate amount of air pollution. Manufacturers are already moving in that direction, but that transition can only happen if the state builds the electric charging infrastructure to support it. Cooper says the change could bring thousands of good jobs and make the state a hub for clean transportation technology.
North Carolina has positioned itself to be on the front end of this, and companies are already seeing it. I mean, we've got car companies, battery companies, planes, boats moving into electrification, and they are centering here in North Carolina.
Some of these manufacturers that are exhibiting are from an electric Mack truck to a driverless electric van. NCA&T has its own booth there as well, featuring a self-driving car and advances in drone technology to check for cracks in bridges.